Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers, my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. And if you're brand new to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. Also really appreciate if you guys can hit that thumbs up. So this package right here is coming from Adidas. They actually did a major restock on this, and it actually sat for a couple days before it actually sold out. So if you actually wanted these this time around, there shouldn't have been any difficulties in grabbing them. But if you missed out, I really can't say what else to tell you. But they did. It was like a major restock on this thing. So people that actually wanted them shouldn't have had any issues grabbing them. And again, they sat for a couple of days on specific sizes and stuff like that. But here it is. As you can see, it is a 350 box right there. Your Yeezy Boost 350. Adidas. It's made by Adidas. Right there. And as you can see, this one is a size 6, so it's not my size. And so I actually grabbed this for my girl, since I know this time around it was easy to grab. So, and I usually don't grab her shoes that are, I guess, hyped or whatever. But since they did a major restock on it, it was actually easy to grab, in her size. Hopefully it's the correct size, because I just did the conversion, since this is a men's size right here. So let's see if it does fit or not. Again, this is the Yeezy Boost 350 V2. Colorway is cream white, cream white, cream white. Again, size 6 in men's. So here it is. Again, you got the slide out box. You got the regular paper, the white paper right here. And here are the shoes themselves. There. So again, it's pretty much an all white shoe right there. There are different shades of the white, so you can actually kind of see the stripe right there. Then again, you have the bottom, kind of like a milky bottom. Again, you have the visible boost right there. Again, comfort wise, these are comfortable, and you got the pull tab right there. You got the white laces. And this one actually has, again, that chip that they put in here. It's actually inside this tag. But yeah, just quick look at the shoe that I picked up from the major restock for these cream whites. Yeezy Boost 350 V2. I grabbed them from Adidas. And I know they were also on Yeezy Supply as well. But I just grabbed mine from Adidas. .com. Alright, YouTube, if you guys have any questions, hit me up, leave me a comment, or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. Alright, YouTube, peace out.